Have you ever wanted to take your full Windows operating system with you anywhere you go? Hi there, sir. How can I help you today? Oh yes, I will like one Windows 11, but make it to take away. Well guys, let me show you how to do it. Keyfans. On keyfans.com, you can find cheap OEM license kits for Windows 10 and 11, Microsoft Office and even games. By clicking on the link in the description, you will get an additional discount up to 62%. Stop paying an absurd amount of money for your keys and head to keyfans.com, add your desired software to your cart. You can buy it using PayPal or credit card and enjoy the promotion. Thanks keyfans.com for sponsoring this video. The first thing that you want to do is to open your web browser and first download the version of Windows that you want to use. I'm going to be using Windows 11 for this tutorial because it's the latest version. You want to open the link that I'm going to let you guys in the description down below. Scroll down until you find yourself here. Download Windows 11 disk image. Click into select download and select the Windows 11 multi-edition. Now you want to click into download. This is going to ask you to select a product language. Select the one that you use the most. For me it's English. And then you want to click into confirm. This is going to give you a link that is valid for 24 hours for the moment that created. And you want to click right here into Windows 64-bit download. Click on it and download it. We're also going to need as well another software. In this case, it's called Rufus. This is going to create the bootable USB drive that we need. Scroll down into the website until you see the download section and click into the latest version. Once you have both of them downloaded, you can close this window and you want to open the Rufus software. Double click into it. Notice that for this tutorial you can install it both into a USB flash drive or in my case I'm going to be using a 2TB USB external hard drive. If you are going to use as well as me a hard drive, you want to click right here where you see list USB hard drive. Now you can see it right here. Now disk or ISO image, please select one. You want to click into select, go into your downloads folder and in here you want to select the Windows 11 ISO file that you just downloaded. Click into open. Now into partition shim, you want to select GPT. For most of the system it's going to work. If this don't work with a really old PC, you could try it with NVR, but I don't know how this is going to go, I haven't tested myself. Into target system, you want to select UEFI, and right here where you see image option, you want to change this from the standard Windows 11 installation to Windows to go. Notice that with this software, you could also make a USB flash drive to install Windows that is not going to ask you for TPM 2.0 or Secure Boot. But this we don't need it for this video, so you want to click into Windows to go. Everything else you can leave it as it is. And now you want to click into Start. In here it's going to ask you what version of Windows you want to install. You have anything from Windows Home, Windows Education, Windows Pro, and Pro for Workstation. In my case, I want to choose the Windows 11 Pro. Click into OK. And just as a warning, this tells you that all the data on the device is going to be destroyed. Everything is going to get deleted. So make sure that you don't have any important files inside of there before starting this process. When you are ready, click into OK. Now, depending on the drive that you are installing this, USB flash drive or external drive, it's going to take more or less time, but you can calculate around 1 hour until this is done. Because remember guys, this is not copying the files there, the installation files, this is installing Windows in the hard drive. Now you have to wait until this is done. Now, when the installation process is completely done, you want to click into close. And now you can get ready to eject your flash drive from your PC. Now, for the last step, if you want to start your PC with the Windows installation that we just did, you need to enter into the BIOS. To make that possible, you want to keep pressing the F2 button to go inside of the BIOS of your system. Some systems can be F2, F11 or even delete. So you want to try them if one of them doesn't work. Now maybe your BIOS look different as mine, because every manufacturer uses some variation of the same. But you're going to find the same settings on any one of them. You want to scroll until you see a tab where you see boot. Inside of there, you want to scroll until you see a boot option. And you want to set the boot option number 1 to that drive that you just installed Windows. After that, your PC is going to start into this new Windows version that you just installed externally, and you can go and take it with you anywhere that you go. Now at the beginning this is not going to be activated, so you are going to need to activate it yourself or to run it without any activation key, as you prefer. That is all for this tutorial, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you find it useful, don't forget to drop a like, and if you're new to the channel, a subscriber is more than welcome. Thanks one more for watching, and like always, see you on the next time, guys. Bye bye! Oh yes, I will like when Windows 11, but make it to take away.